Hi, this is another case scenario in image to diagnosis. This was an axial scan of the fetal pelvis at the gestation age of 28 weeks, and which showed mild oligohydramnios. And this is the axial scan of the pelvis. And you see fetal ascites, and you see two cystic structures in the fetal pelvis. And we have seen another case scenario of cyst in the fetal pelvis, which after the final approach to diagnosis, it was a case of hydrocolpos, which was diagnosed at 32 weeks, where the two cysts in the pelvis were in the anteroposterior direction. And here in this current case at 28 weeks, there is ascites, and you see two cysts again in the anteroposterior direction. And so is this also hydrocolpos? But why is there ascites and oligoamnios if it is only hydrocolpos? So if you would like to see the approach this case scenario to arrive at final diagnosis, please go to the